Menteri Rangba Khubor Conrad ke Samla ula ai ke Iaroh ya ke sorkar pedeng ke balawanra ya ke Women Reservation Bill ha Parliament menta kasngi ban plilat Khubor ni kentei hakakam dong mi Kmen. Habakran bat kilat pathai Khubor Menteri Rangba ula ong bakni ke isu ke de ke bala angnut laslam bat kumta ong ba kisngongu ya Menteri Rangba du kari Halor kani.
This Women's Reservation Bill that has been introduced in the Parliament in the special session today is a very, very welcome step on part of the government of India, especially the Honorable Prime Minister. This has been a long pending demand, a long pending issue, and this is something that should have been done a long time back. But we must give credit to Honorable Prime Minister for this bold step and the bold decision that he has taken. There will always be critics, there will always be people who will argue in different ways. But if you look at the larger section of society and the larger impact that it will have on democratic representation, which as we have seen, whether it's Meghalaya state or even in the parliament, that the representation of women is not as at the level that it should be. This will be a very, very important democratic reform and will allow representation of women at the top level to be able to take decisions which will help overall the society and women, especially at large. And it's, as I said, it's a very positive decision. We as a government and as a political party, the National People's Party, we completely support this decision. We are very, very happy with this decision, and at every level, whatever is required, we will support it. And at the same time, I urge that all political parties, all organizations across society must support a positive reform like this, as it will be in the larger interest of the state and the country as a whole.